All right, we're here with Steve Spangler. We headed right over here. He's got a lot of stuff. Kim immediately grabbed the alcohol.
Yeah.
Rubbing alcohol.
Be good.
Be safe and clean and, sanitary.
I'm just saying what happened.
Nice seeing you guys. Both
to
of
see
you.
you, Steve.
It's like I'm the middle child. It seems.
That's it.
Hey, so Cyber Monday, everybody's talking about stuff, and probably over the weekend, maybe a dozen different little messages. People saying, "What's the best science kit to get? What's the best one? What's the best one?" And so this year, we're going retro. Maybe Forbes came out and said, "Experience is the new gift." So everyone said, "I want an experience." And so what does that mean?
No, it's a good idea.
I think it's a great idea. So here's a thought. Find yourself your favorite science book. So use your cyber buying power and head out there. You're going to find there's some good ones here. So find a science experiment book. There's so many of them. Oh, I'm a fan of this guy. I like this book. There's a good. Oh, and here's another good book as well. Look at those books. But gosh, there's so many of them. So here's the idea. Got it? What I'm suggesting that you do. No. What I'm suggesting you do is this: is that you go through the book and you find something. For example, here's a great experiment that you can make a bubbling lava lamp, and then for the gift, buy the book and then go buy the materials and a little note that says we're going to do this together Thursday night when I come over or whatever. So, for example, if I wanted to make this kind of pop out, it's easy. I'm going to go to the store. I'm going to find myself some vegetable oil. And to the vegetable oil, we add a little bit of water that goes into here like this. And then what I like is the fact that it's an experience from the standpoint that you're doing it together. So you're not just throwing something at them or a kit and say, do this, a little bit of food coloring, because who doesn't like a little bit of food coloring? Only need 4 drops. It just said get 4 drops, but I thought that 75 would be awesome.
A little bit more.
So yeah, if 4 is good, every teacher has learned if 4 is good, kids know that 50 are better.
Multiply.
And then Alka-Seltzer goes down inside. And so when you drop Alka-Seltzer down inside, not only do you get this beautiful bubbling, you get this, isn't that fun?
Yeah.
So the experience kind of comes to life, and you did it together. And I think that's what I'm trying to say is maybe you're going to give something. If you have that science person that kind of loves doing things, or a kid that loves doing some science stuff, watch this one. It becomes a gift at the same time.
Okay.
I'll show you how it works. You're going to get yourself just a plain T-shirt right out of the book, and then you're going to need some Sharpie pens as well. We're going to ruin the shirt. I've already made yours, so I'll just show you what I did on mine. So I wrap the shirt around it, and then you take a Sharpie pen and you make some marks on here. So you've ruined the shirt. If you take water, for example, and try to get that off, that's not going to come off. But water is the wrong solvent. So I got to use something like rubbing alcohol. So take a look at this in your dropper bottle. So go ahead and open up your dropper bottle. What I want you to do is to drip in the very middle. I'll try to hold it here so you can see. So drip yours in the very middle and watch what happens. The rubbing alcohol is the perfect solvent for that Sharpie pen ink. And all of a sudden that design comes out.
So drop quite a bit?
Yeah, just keep going. Look at that. It becomes beautiful. And what you get when it's all, oh, Tom, yours is gorgeous.
Thank you.
And then,
mine's
would you look at this?
uneven.
No, it's okay, Kim, we like it.
Sure.
Look at what you get when you're done. Not only does the shirt shrink, but no, but look at it. Isn't that great? You get these beautiful bursts, these radial bursts. And aren't they, is it fantastic? So you get one of those, or you get this, you did it together. And so I love the idea of, if you want to inspire somebody, you have a science enthusiast. Why not do something together? Use your buying power, find a good book, but get all the supplies, the Mentos, the Coke. I think you know about that. And we do all of those things.
Yes, I do.
And you go out in the backyard, and life is good.
Love it, Steve. Thanks very much. Good stuff.
Tom, yours is better.
You did a great job.
We'll be right back.
No, I think yours is beautiful as well. Yeah, it's lovely.